If you are trying to learn what exactly binary options are and how you can start to trade, then this video is perfectly for you. In this video, I'm going to explain you what are binary options, how you can start to trade binary options, and additionally, I'll also provide you information on money management that works like charm while you trade binary options. And at the end, I'll also reveal one secret strategy to trade binary options in a highly profitable way. So if this is something that you want, then watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button below this video. Now firstly, I'm going to explain you about binary options in a trading platform that is called Pocket Option, and there is a reason why I have chosen this Pocket Option broker. I'll explain that also in upcoming minutes. And if you want to sign up to this Pocket Option, then you can get massive amount of first time deposit bonus by using the link that I have given for you in the description of this video. Just click on that link and follow their step-by-step instruction to create your account on Pocket Option, and you'll easily be able to get some good amount of bonus in Pocket Option. Additionally, you'll also keep on getting other bonuses inside your account. So now, without doing any delay, let's see what exactly binary options are. So unlike forex trading, where you need to trade on by assuming whether the price will go up or down, and then you need to take profit and use stop loss, okay, in binary options nothing of that will happen. Okay, you don't need to use all of those things. You just need to assume where the price will go. Either it will go down or go above in a fixed time. For example, let's say I have selected a time frame of 5 seconds. So my trade will close in 5 seconds. Now this 5-second trading is only available on Pocket Option. That's why also I was recommending you to use this Pocket Option. Not only 5 seconds, you can also trade on 15, 30, 1 minute and 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whichever time frame you want to trade, you can trade. Okay, so for now let's just select 5 seconds. So, and my investment amount would be $100. So if I click on lower from here, now within 5 seconds, if this is below the red line, then I'm going to make profit of $92. Here you can see the payout was 92%. That's why I made a $92 in 5 seconds. Similarly, if I assume this price will go higher and I click on here, then there is a green line. Now if the price of this assets goes above this in 5 seconds, then I'll make profit, otherwise I'll make loss of $100. So this is exactly what binary options is. Now I'll explain you what is a money management strategy that works like charm while trading binary options. Let's say you want to invest $100 in your starting amount. So you invest $100, you made a loss of $100. Then in second trade you invest $300. Keep watching, okay, $300, and then click on higher from here. Now if this price goes above, then you'll make a profit of $273, as you can see here. Now your previous $100 is covered plus $173 additional profit you got from this trade. Now again go back to $100. Now if you make loss again in this $100 trade, then you can trade with $300. Okay, and if you again make profit with $300, again go back to $100. And if you made a loss of $300 also, then go with $900. Now if you lose this $900, then stop trading for that day. Now your total investment is going to be $1,300. Okay, so per day you will be risking $1,300 to make a profit of $2,600 by repeating this process, by trading again and again $100, $300, $900. Okay, whenever you make loss of $100, trade with $300. If you make loss with $300, trade with $900. And if you make profit with $900, then go back to $100 and again start that same thing until you reach the profit of $2,600. You can also start with $1, okay, $1, $3, $9, or you can also start with $10, $30, $90. In this way you can target the profit like 1:2. In this way you can do money management, and your risk to reward ratio will be 1:2. That means you are risking $1,300 to make $2,600. So if you make loss in regular 2 days, okay, $1,300, $1,300, and in third day if you make profit of $96, then all of your previous 2 days losses will be covered. Now that was a simple money management strategy that I have been using for years, and it works like charm. Okay, and now I'll reveal a secret strategy that you can use to trade binary options in a profitable way. So for example, for that you need to click on this line. Okay, here you can see, you can click on here and then select this candlestick. Okay, that is Japanese candlestick, and then select the candle time frame, that is S5, that is 5-second candlesticks. Now each of these candles are formed in 5 seconds, and the time frame would be 5 seconds. So now what you need to do is, here you can see there are two candles. Now take a reference of back into, so here already another candle have appeared. So for example, in this case, let's say there are two candle, and in previous you can see there is a two candle, after two candle there was red, and after here also two green candle. Okay, and then after that was green. So you cannot trade in this kind of market. So let's see in another currency pair. So let's say after red there was two green candle. Now see where is that kind of thing happening after a red. So okay, two green candle and again one red candle, again green candle. Okay, so let's see, after one red candle another was green. Okay, and another was also green. So here was the signal was matching, so you can make a trade at here by, sorry, so red, let's see, okay, two red, let's see, for two red and another third was also red. So you can trade by clicking on red lower at here. Okay, because this two candle was red and another was also red, so you made a profit. So just you need to take the reference of previous candles, okay, at the real time. So for example, one is green, one is red. See where one green, one red, another was red. Now you can assume that this candle will go red. Now of course all of the time your strategy will not work, so that's why you need the money management that I have shown you previously. So if you want to learn more about 5-second trading, if you want to trade 5-second, if you want to trade binary options in a highly profitable way with 5-second time frame, then you can watch some of my videos that are in my channel, and it is in the playlist of pocket option tutorial. You can watch this by visiting my channel. So this means I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.